Hello everyone, welcome to MK After a long time, here I'm with an unboxing of the new Amazon Fire Stick TV Lite. So this is an compact box. You can just get it in online as well as in your local store or whatever. So let's quickly wrap it out and cut this with the scissors. Okay, so it's too hard, but till it's really easy to unbox. Okay, it's in a compact box. That's better. Okay, once slide it up. Oh, there's the Amazon logo. Okay, it's how neatly packed. It comes with a remote that you can control your TV with it. And here's the guide. So we're not gonna read up the guide. So we're just gonna go through and just keep it aside. And here's the cable, which makes you to. It allows you to charge your Amazon Fire Stick, and once you connect it in your TV, it will show you certain recent steps to set up your new TV. But that is important to have a remote. So this remote is basically under to operate our TV with the Amazon Fire Stick. So here's the manual to instruct the battery inside the remote, and it comes with a Netflix and a Prime Video. As if you remember, you can get it. So this is the stick and extender. If your TV don't support with the normal stick, you can just use this to support with your TV. And I think nothing inside the box, but I feel some weight inside. Oh, it's not coming out. I think it might be the batteries or the charging cable adapter. Yeah, an adapter was included, but I think it's not here. Yeah, it's out there, so it's inside. Oh, I didn't notice that. Okay, so yeah, we have two batteries, which is AAA, I think. Yeah, it's we have two batteries, which is AAA for the remote, and an Amazon charger. So that's really better with an adapter. It comes with an adapter. That's even it has a support with Apple TV, so that is so nice. If Amazon is giving like this amount support, we're not able to watch a normal TV at all. So here are the final products that I have. So just have a look at it. So after the setup, here how the Fire Stick looks, and I just want to share you guys what and all the Lite just does. This is an HDMI cable, which is the Lite option. It has Prime Video, YouTube, Z5, Wood, everything, Sunnext, even Sunnext. So this comes in Amazon alone. So other brands are just giving, but for the namesakes, so that's not gonna be this. So as we come for the remote, so the remote has in special features of Alexa and all other TV controls of, and it says Fire TV. So that's really better. One says Fire TV, that's really better, and it's really compact to hold, and even so feeling so soft and comfort. And there is an Alexa and a mic there, as I told before. There's a mic on top of the remote, and we have all the controls: return, home, Netflix, Prime Video, Amazon Music, and all other apps. So you have thousands plus apps. So that's really better that if you're gonna have thousands of apps. So it's giving by Amazon. Thanks for watching and subscribe to MK.